Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step guide. Today, we're tackling how to transfer BNB from Bitrue to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is smarter than ever. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since things can change. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Bitrue account with BNB in it, your Ledger Nano X device set up and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and remember, we're dealing with real money here, so proceed with caution to avoid any slip-ups. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the dashboard and find your wallet section. Select BNB from your assets list. Now, look for the withdraw or transfer out option. It's usually easy to spot. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the BNB address from your Ledger Nano X. To get that, open your Ledger Live app, connect your device, and navigate to the BNB account. Copy the receive address carefully, double-check it to prevent errors. Step 3. Back on Bitrue, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Specify the amount you want to transfer, but leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything. Amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm on the blockchain, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Ledger Nano X and Bitrue account to verify the transfer. A quick tip: always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you safely move your BNB to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.